İyileştirme falan mesela. Salam hormatly ýyleşler. Şu gün Turkmenistan Magtymguly Garlyyev milli faal drama teatrına ajaýyp konsertlaryň biri geçirilýär.
The U.S. Embassy is pleased to welcome you to a capella concert of an American group, Pipeline Vocal Project.
Ýörüň onu Ashgabatdan silen biletde konsertde tomaşa edilýär.
Good evening, sir. We are from the Ashgabat Times News Portal, and first of all, thank you for initiating and organizing such a wonderful and amazing event. And we would like to ask a question. Could you tell us about other cultural projects that you are aiming to do in the future?
Well, thank you, Lachen. It is a true pleasure to introduce the artists who will be performing today from Alaska, the far northwest of America. This is part of American Voices, a cultural outreach program designed to bridge cultures together, in this case, Turkmenistan and America. I'm so proud of them because they represent my country well, but they'll be performing with local artists, and that's what makes American exchange programs so special. This is not only about my country, this is about our two countries. And when you travel around Turkmenistan, as my wife Edie and I have, we are constantly enthralled by Turkmen heritage and culture, and we are so pleased to see that the Ambassador's Fund for Cultural Preservation has helped to restore ancient Turkmen sites such as Merv, ancient Merv, or here Old Nusai, or some of the beautiful Kunar Genç archaeological sites. We have brought performing artists to this country before, and we have exchange programs. So I hope all of you who are watching and listening will look at our American Embassy website to see if there are opportunities to apply for an exchange program, go to the United States of America, experience our culture. I don't know if you know this, but last year in 2023, Turkmen performing artists went to Albuquerque, New Mexico as part of a cultural exchange program and performed for Americans. That's truly using culture to bridge two great countries. I just feel we are warmer and closer together as two nations than ever before.
Thank you very much.
Good evening, ladies. We are from the Ashgabat Times News Portal, and I would like to take your few minutes to ask a question. So, how did your passion to your work begin, to your art begin?
Вопрос такой, как началось ваша карьера? Passion, помогите мне перевести. Как вы обнаружили страсть к этому виду искусства?
Yeah.
Well, like the ambassador said earlier, a cappella is such a raw form of music. It is the oldest form of music because everyone is born with a voice. You don't need an instrument to be able to participate. And we like to use this raw form of music to connect with other people and bridge different languages and cultures together to foster international relations and friendship and communication between different humans, because we are much more alike than we are different.
Yes. Thank you so much, and wish you good luck on the stage. It's a great pleasure to meet you. Good evening, Miss.
Good evening.
I would like to ask a question. Have you ever been a capella concert before?
Not at a concert, but I love a cappella music, and it is extremely popular in the United States because of a very famous movie, and also Pitch Perfect, and also a TV series.
I've heard it.
Which made a cappella, I think, even more popular.
Yeah.
It's amazing because everything is with the voice, and that's why I love it.
Without instruments.
Exactly.
It's amazing.
It's a talent to be able to perform.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
Got it. Thank you, Miss,
You're welcome.
to spend time with us.